Hi, this is Raheel and I am a computer science student from Lahore, Pakistan. And I have basically built a developer profile generator. So it is basically a Python script that would interact with the GitHub API to extract the useful information about profiles, and it would give the output in the terminal as well as in the form of JSON and as well as in the form of .md file. So let's try to run it. Yeah, it asks me for the GitHub username, so I would type my GitHub username, that is Raheel14. Yeah, so it generates the summary of my profile. We have our name right here, the username right here, the followers and the following, and the languages that I have worked on, and the projects that I have worked on. And it would list the top 5 projects based on the number of stars that the project repo has. So in my case, I only have 0 stars. It also generates the .json file and the .md file, so let's look into that. Yeah. So as you can see that we have 2 files, resume, JSON, and the markdown source file. Let's open the JSON. Yeah, so here's the profile. Yeah, it is basically the same data that we just saw in the terminal, just in the JSON format. And here we have the resume markdown file. Yeah, so this is basically the .md file which we have in the GitHub readmes as well. I did not know the name for this before taking CS50. I just realized this when I was making the project. Yeah, so I learned more about the .md files, and I chose a modular or a functional approach in my program because I think most of the times I would be using Python for scripting. Therefore, and I wanted to know more about the APIs and the JSON, and while taking CS50, these were some new concepts for me, as I'm a CS student, so I have experiences with other things like Java, Hoop, and I built projects in that. So Python, I was learning this on my own, and yeah, so the video is getting too long, and well, thank you David J. Malin, and thank you CS50 for providing this wonderful experience.